Hi guys, we are the Talwar sisters.
I'm Kirti.
And I'm Swati. In today's video, we will show you our 10-minute home workout routine. It's a full body workout which is perfect for beginners. Also, you don't need any equipment to do this. So before getting started, make sure to wear your workout clothes. Also, hydrate yourself and keep a towel handy because you will sweat a lot.
So let us begin with some basic stretching. This is not included in the 10-minute workout. You can stretch for however long you want. Also, stretching is very important before and after the workout just to make sure you don't get any injuries during the workout. Time to start the workout now. We have included 15 exercises in this workout and we are going to do these exercises for 30 seconds and then take a break for 10 seconds. You can adjust the intensity and the pace of this workout according to your own requirements.
Our first exercise is high knees. If you are just starting out, you can skip jumping and just try and touch your knees to your hand as high as you can. Now let's get our heart rate up with some jumping jacks.
We all have heard about the hopping frog in our childhood. Now it's time to be one. Just look at Swati, she looks so damn funny. Squats are a great workout for your lower body and we are also working on our arms simultaneously. You can skip the boxing action if you are not comfortable doing it. If you are at intermediate level, you can also add 1 or 2 kilos weights to this workout. Make sure your knees does not go beyond your toes.
This is the variation of the previous exercise. Sumo squats are great for your inner thighs. I was struggling so damn hard in this one and you can totally see that. For the next one, hold the squat position to feel the burn. Let's grab our yoga mats, and if you don't have one, do it on the floor or on the bed or anywhere you want. Just do it. Also, we got rid of the shoes because they were making us slip on the mat.
Get ready to burp with some burpees. Just kidding, this is one of our least favorite exercise from the lot, but as they say, no pain, no gain. Are you ready to climb a mountain with us? Well, the only mountains we are climbing, or perhaps you can climb in this quarantine, are these mountain climbers. It's time to do some twists. These are great for your obliques and abs. If you love cycling, you will love this one. All you need to do is imagine you are riding a bicycle. Also, if you have cervical problem like me, then you don't need to raise your neck, just do the leg movement. This one is another great exercise for your abs. You just need to raise your legs at a 90-degree angle or as high as you can.
It's time for our last exercise. Our workouts are never complete without doing a plank. Planks are great for your core and overall strength. Make sure to keep your body parallel to the ground and hold for as long as you can.
We can both hold a plank for a minute. You can hold for 20 seconds or 30 seconds and increase the time as you get comfortable doing these workouts. We completed the workout by doing the cobra stretch, child's pose, and some more leg stretches. As you know, stretching is very important even after the workout.
So that was a great workout. You can see the sweat on our faces. We were so damn exhausted after this. Also, make sure to have some protein within 30 minutes of working out, as it will help in building your muscles. Do this workout at least 3 to 4 times a week for best results. And if you follow this workout routine, make sure to come back to this video and let us know about your results.
You can also follow us on our Instagram for more updates. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will see you on Friday with yet another fun video.
Till then, take care and stay healthy. Bye.